the supreme intelligence that reveals itself in the laws of the universe. Since ancient times, humans have looked up at the sky and wondered, where does all this come from? The answer to this question is the foundation of all spiritual philosophy. Kardec, in the Genesis, explains that the existence of God is not an imposed dogma, but a logical conclusion, the result of observation and reason. Just as we recognize the artist by the harmony of the work, we recognize the creator by the perfection of natural laws. No intelligent effect can exist without an intelligent cause, and in the universe, everything reveals order, purpose, and coherence. Therefore, God is the supreme intelligence and the primary cause of all things. Kardec enfatiza que negar Deus é negar a própria razão, pois a inteligência humana é uma chama dessa inteligência universal. The Spirit does not invent God. It discovers him as it understands the laws of creation. The laws of nature are, therefore, the language through which God reveals himself, not through words, but through facts that can be studied and proven. In the modern view of physics and cosmology, the universe is governed by precise, constant, and universal mathematical laws. From the movement of galaxies to the vibration of subatomic particles, everything obeys patterns that demonstrate coherence and harmony. These laws do not arise from chance. They express an order that transcends the mere mechanism of matter. Einstein himself recognized this underlying intelligence of the cosmos, calling it superior reason, a concept that directly aligns with Kardec's notion of God as the cause and supreme consciousness of the universe. Biology also shows us that life, in its complexity, follows an organized and interdependent plan. Each cell, each molecule, plays an exact role within a larger whole. This order is not the result of chaos, but of the wisdom that structures the very fabric of existence. Chance can explain events, but not the harmonious set of laws that sustain the balance of life. Kardec, therefore, does not define God by human attributes. He recognizes him through the immutable laws that govern creation. It is not necessary to see God to know that he exists. It is enough to understand the laws that emanate from him. Just as we feel the wind without seeing it, we perceive the divine presence in everything that lives, vibrates, and progresses. To deny God is the same as denying the intelligence of nature itself. And the more science advances, the closer it comes to this fundamental truth, that there is an organizing principle behind all reality. This principle is eternal, unchanging, and infinitely wise, the source from which all life and all reason flow. That is why Spiritism does not demand blind faith. It asks for observation, reflection, and humility before the greatness of the universe. The existence of God is not an imposed belief. It is the natural consequence of a reason that has learned to contemplate. And if this message has awakened a new perspective on life in you, share it. Because every mind that understands divine harmony helps to expand the light of understanding in the world.